Hello guys, welcome back to my MP Coding YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to run PHP using Visual Studio Code with Xampp server. Then let's start. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to update with my new videos. Then let's go. If you want to download Visual Studio Code, go to your browser and type VS Code download, then click here download Visual Studio Code. So this is the official site of Visual Studio Code. Here you can download Visual Studio Code. And also if you want to download Xampp server, then search Xampp server download, then click here Xampp installers and download for Apache friends. Here you can download Xampp, and also here provide a video for you and that guide how to install Xampp. So if you have any problem, you can watch this video when you download Xampp server. Okay, here you open Visual Studio Code, and if you need to run PHP here, you need to install PHP extensions. For that, go to extension, then search PHP. Here you can see all the extension of PHP. We just need to install PHP IntelliFunds. Before install PHP IntelliFund, we need to disable PHP language features. For that, copy this at built-in PHP. Then search it here. Click on PHP language features. Then you need to disable this. Okay, done. Then search here again PHP. Then click here PHP IntelliFunds. Here you can install PHP IntelliFund now. Okay, done. Then you need to install PHP server. Click here to install. Okay, it also done. Then go to Explorer and create new file and it name as index.php. Then here you need to open PHP bracket, then echo welcome to the PHP. Okay, now we can run this program. For that, right click, then click here serve project. I get an error PHP not found. In this case, you need to download Xampp, then open it, then select the PHP folder here. Then after copy this path, then search environment variable, then click on environment variables, then select the path here, then click on edit button, then click on new button, then you need to paste the path we copy, then click OK, click OK, click OK. Close this too, then again open Visual Studio Code. Okay, then serve project again. Okay, then here's the result. Welcome to the PHP. Okay, then if you have any problem regarding to this, you can ask that in comment section and I will answer them as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification about my new videos.